In today's video, we're going to learn how to make an excellent fire tinder from materials that most of us already own. And if we don't own them, we can go down to a grocery or drugstore and get the materials we need for under $5. Roll the intro. We're going to start with jumbo-sized 100% cotton balls, no synthetics. Synthetics melt, cotton burns, 100% cotton burns. I'm going to flatten my cotton ball out into a disc like this. I'm going to add a generous amount of petroleum jelly. I'm going to work it into my cotton ball like this. It is a messy process, so I strongly suggest that when you do this, you have a rag or two right next to you. Now I'm kind of working it back into a ball, and it's at this point where I'm going to start adding finished cotton balls into our tinder container. When we're ready to make our fire, we simply remove a cotton ball with Vaseline out of our container. And this is a very important part. We need to tear our cotton ball and Vaseline apart at the base, like that, so we get those dry fibers exposed. Those dry fibers will readily accept a spark. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place it on a piece of aluminum foil. And what that aluminum foil does for us is it catches any melting petroleum jelly. Then you take your metal match and voila. Now these should burn for anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how much petroleum jelly you put into the cotton ball.